Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear all of your browsing data, history and cache inside of Safari on your iPhone. Now, whether you want to remove this data for privacy concerns or whether you just want to free up a little bit of space, this video will show you exactly how to do that. So what we need to do is head over to our home screen and select settings, scroll all the way down until you find Safari and select this. Then from here, we're going to scroll down again and you'll see this option for clear history and website data. Just go ahead and select that. Then at the bottom here, we're just going to press clear history and data. If you get this message pop up, we can just press close tabs, and that's going to go ahead and clear all of your data, including your browsing history, cache data, as well as any other data that Safari's collecting on you. So now if we head back over to the Safari application, you can see that it hasn't remembered anything from what I've previously visited, which is exactly what we wanted. And it's literally as simple as that, guys. That's how you clear your browsing data in Safari. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.